Imagine collecting almost an egg a day from every hen you own. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today I'm going to show you 7 organic tricks that will boost egg production naturally without breaking the bank. Welcome back to FarmWise Hub, your go-to place for smart farming tips and organic solutions. If you're ready to turn your poultry farm into an egg powerhouse, let's jump right in. You want more eggs? You want healthy hens? You want to do it the natural way. This guide gives you 7 simple, organic tricks that truly work. But let's not wait. Let's start with one incredibly easy tip you can do right now. Try this one thing first. Go add more clean water. Hens lay more eggs when they're properly hydrated. An egg is mostly water after all. A thirsty hen is a hen that cannot produce. During hot weather, this is even more critical. Put out an extra water dish or two, especially in shady spots. Make it a daily habit to scrub these containers clean. Bacteria and algae can build up fast, and dirty water can make your flock sick, which means no eggs at all. This simple change can boost egg numbers in just a few days. For a low-cost, high-impact upgrade, consider a nipple drinker system. This means less daily scrubbing for you and safer water for them. This small investment is one of the most powerful things you can do. Yeah, it's that simple. Good feed is the absolute key to a productive hen. Think of it as fuel for the egg-making machine. You must provide high-quality, balanced layer feed. Choose organic if you can. Proper layer feed has the right protein, usually 16%, and crucial minerals like calcium. Don't use cheap scratch grains as their main meal. It's like candy. Offer crushed oyster shell separately. Don't mix it into main feed. Now let's talk about the joy of greens and pasture. Letting hens eat grass, clover, bugs and weeds is a game changer. This provides protein, vitamins and omega-3s you can't get from bagged feed. If you have space, move their coop or use a portable tractor. Let them graze new patches every day or two. This makes yolks vibrant orange and significantly raises egg numbers. For fixed coops, bring the pasture to them. Pull dandelion greens, clover, and safe weeds. Stuff them in a suet cage. Kitchen scraps work too, but be careful. Keep treats to no more than 10% of total diet. Too many treats dilute nutrition and drop production. True health comes from diverse, balanced diet. Light is the natural signal that tells a hen's body to lay eggs. Chickens are creatures of habit, deeply connected to seasons. To maintain laying, hens need 14 to 16 hours of light daily, in long spring and summer days. This is why hens lay so many eggs during these months. But as days shorten in fall and winter, their internal clock tells them to slow down and conserve energy. Production naturally drops or stops completely. To keep eggs coming through winter, add supplemental light. 1 low-watt bulb is enough. You're not making a workshop, just gently extending the day. The best method is morning light. Use a simple timer, set to come on a few hours before sunrise. This wakes hens gently and gets their systems going. Consistency beats intensity. Don't flip lights on and off at random. That confuses and stresses birds. Avoid adding light in evening. Let them roost naturally at sunset. Don't use super bright lights or heat lamps. Light should be just bright enough to read a newspaper. Keep fixtures secured away from bedding to prevent fire risk. A little safe, consistent light tricks a hen's body into thinking it's a productive summer day. A hen's home is her castle. A clean, dry coop is essential. Think about it from her perspective. She needs a place free from moisture, drafts, and filth. Damp, dirty bedding breeds ammonia fumes, bacteria, and parasites. These make hens sick and stressed. A stressed hen will not lay eggs. Make it a habit to clean soiled bedding often, at least weekly. Replace with fresh, dry material. Use deep pine shavings or chopped straw. They absorb moisture and give hens something to scratch. Pay attention under roosts where droppings accumulate. Try the deep litter method. Add thin layers of fresh shavings on top. Let beneficial microbes break down waste and manage moisture. Keep air smelling fresh. Nesting boxes are the most sacred space. This is where magic happens. Make them dark, quiet, and private. If boxes are bright, dirty, or exposed, hens may hold eggs or lay elsewhere. Make boxes feel like cozy, secluded caves. Fill with straw or pads. Position boxes on darkest wall. 1 box per 4 to 5 hens. A relaxed, secure hen will hop into her box each day. A calm hen is productive. Providing a clean sanctuary encourages the perfect egg. Keeping your flock healthy is the cornerstone of egg production. A sick hen stops laying immediately. The best organic healthcare is prevention through daily observation. Are their eyes bright and clear? Are combs and wattles rich red? Are they active and scratching? A healthy chicken is a busy chicken. Look for birds that are lethargic, have ruffled feathers, or isolating themselves. These are first signs something may be wrong. Early detection is critical. Remove unwell birds temporarily to prevent disease spread. Simple, natural remedies can be very effective for minor issues. Many keepers add raw apple cider vinegar to water weekly. This supports gut health and strengthens immune systems. For digestion, hens need grit and good diet. Since chickens don't have teeth, they swallow stones stored in their gizzard, which acts like a powerful mill. Confined hens must have grit provided separately. It's essential. For external pests, provide dust baths, their natural cleaning method. Fill with dry dirt, sand, and food-grade diatomaceous earth. Fine powder suffocates tiny pests in feathers. Natural supports keep hens healthy and eggs coming steadily. Stress is the silent enemy of egg production. A frightened hen diverts energy to survival. Reproductive system shuts down first. Biggest stress source is inconsistency. Chickens thrive on predictability. Feed them, let them out, and close them in at same times daily. Predictable schedule tells them their world is safe and secure. Avoid loud noises, sudden environmental changes, or constantly chasing them around. Protecting from predators is primary responsibility and major stress reducer. Single scare from a dog, hawk circling overhead, or raccoon trying to get in can stop production for weeks. Your coop must be a fortress. Use hardware cloth, not flimsy chicken wire. Secure latches that raccoons can't open. Walk perimeter regularly. Check for digging or weak spots. Hens feel safer with cover to hide under. Open runs make them feel exposed to aerial predators. Add cover with plywood, plant bushes, or drape netting over the run. Finally, avoid overcrowding. 4 square feet of coop, 10 square feet of run per hen. Start with one small change today. And there you have it. 7 simple, organic tricks to boost your egg production naturally. Which of these tricks are you already using on your farm? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to FarmWise Hub for more practical farming tips. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep your birds healthy and your baskets full of eggs. See you in the next video.